Aha, this is how we jive mass communication here. I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a kit box for you guys. This is from Bosch. You have many drilling tool here, drill bits we call them, for wood, also for stone and other things. From Bosch, obviously Bosch German original. You can see here the tool kits here. This is, and you also have a screwdriver. You see Phillips PH, PZ, S version flat, that is T version, that is the star screw, and also that is hexagon H, that is the size is right 10. For drill here, you can drill to wooden drill bits, also for bricks, stone, and also in metal. Incredible. So strong drill bits we have, a beautiful pack from Bosch Germany. Lovely, handy. So we're gonna cut this off for the first time. Here is coming with one plastic for hang or something. So we're gonna cut this off. So without cutting off, we can't take this out here and here as well. So now it is off. Here we have something as this. I take this off and I put as this down, and you can see I'm taking off this set. Should be as this two side, beautiful set in this case, guys. You can see how it is beautiful, lovely. So we'll go one by one. I think this is a wrench, so you can use this as a handle, as a grip. So here put some tool, this side as well. This one, you see how it is, it's a hexagon if I'm not wrong, here too. So this is something as a handle in this case. First this part will go, take this off from here, this side. So we have three tool here. This one, you see how normally this should go here in this. After that you can put another tool, or you put, you see here, something should go inside. And this side no, this side neither, but this side yes. You see how it fits. Then you can apply different tool in this case. For example, if I take one from here and this way, you see how it is. For open or close you want, depends. So this is one of them. Put back at its place because there are many tools, so I will forget. So better put them back at its place. Here we go, this goes here. Then we have drill bits here. This one, I think this is, they look as, I think the edge sharp. Maybe this one for wood, if I'm not wrong, wooden. The light, when they light little bit, as you see this drill bits, this is for wood, different size, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lovely set in this case. Then this is screwdriver. Here you see PH1, that is Phillips 1, Phillips 2, PZ1 and T. Okay, lovely set in this case. Put this one here. After that, this is another, these are also screwdriver. Here these are long, those were short. Yeah, you see. So if I put here this one, how fits, lovely. And you open and close things, very lovely and handy in this case. Wow, I take out, very good grip it has. This side I can put as well, so if you want long grip, lovely, very good this one, Bosch. Okay, should go here in this case. Oh, here it was. Fine, this side we go to drills. Take this off from here. I have many of them. These are for bricks. You see here, design of bricks, and you see how they are. These are heavy. In my hand, I feel maybe stainless steel something. Aluminium, stainless steel, I feel as this for bricks. Lovely. It's incredible. The size you see 8, 7, 6, 6, 5.55 different size drill bits here. Here another set I have. This one you see, this I think to make it more longer. See? So if you want long grip, you can adjust, you can attach this one, and you can put in this, for example, more screws right here. If I put something else, this you can prepare, or this side if you want more grips. Lovely. Okay, then the last part, we take this off from here. To be honest, I'm confused. This one perhaps for wood, if I'm not wrong. So I confused with this one. Here look at the pipe or something. So this one is metal, aluminium, other stuff, and this one is wooden, because see the head here is different, it's sharp head. So this one, as it looks here, is wood. This one is wood for sure. So other one is for pipe, metal, other stuff, and this one is for wood. As the design, normally the head of the wood there as this, you see, and the other one you see, this is the head for brick. You see how to break stones, other stuff. So depend. This one is for wood, and this one are for pipes, and that could be metal pipe, plastic pipe, whatever. Depends, but quite light in this case. Okay, whatever. So this is a beautiful set, guys. This is Handheld. Everything comes with the compact pack in this case. Okay, here we have some more extra tool. If I take this off, okay, this look as a for drilling purpose, to break the wall or something as this. Look at this knot, or particular screw. If you have big some screw as this, you see the design depends on the screw. Interesting. And after that, there are two more tools here. This one to some nut specific. This one could be some specific nut, and the middle another is the same. You see hexagon 5, hexagon 6. Okay, and the other one, this one here, this is a flat screw here, and this one, yeah, lovely. So it's a beautiful set, guys, you have here, and beautiful handle to use it. Very strong, I feel. Is stainless steel, if I'm not wrong, with some plastic at the middle to have a great grip, guys. So this is Bosch, a kit with the drill bits and screwdriver. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.